This is the most exciting video I have ever made on this channel. It's a big statement, but it's true. It's the most excited I've ever been for a video, and that's for 5 reasons. I've got 5 big announcements in this video, and we're going to get straight into it. The first announcement is this. You can now buy my first online course. That's right, I've been working so hard in this course. It's been a long time in the making, and now you can buy it. What's it about, Andrew? Give me some more details. Well, I'm not just going to tell you about it. I'm going to tell you about it, but I'm also going to tell and show you, because I've made a trailer. I've made a course trailer for this course. So Andrew, roll the trailer. Introducing Affinity Photo 2 iPad Ultimate Masterclass. Join me in creating a professional level movie poster using just your iPad. With over 20 years of design experience, I'll guide you step by step through more than 10 hours of Affinity training. You'll master many skills like where to place your assets, and advanced skills too like masking, adjustment layers, dodging, burning, and so much more. Become an Affinity Photo 2 iPad Master in the Ultimate Masterclass course. Enroll now at andrewgoodmancreative.com. So there you go. What do you think about that? This is a massive course, and that's why I called it the Ultimate Masterclass. I'll go as far as saying that this is the best course you can buy for Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad. It's the best course on the internet, and I'm going to stand by that. It's a big statement, but I 100% believe it's true. Now, first of all, you might be thinking, Andrew, looks a bit Star Wars. I'm not into Star Wars or anything like that. And that's okay, because this course is so much more about making like a Star Wars poster. It's about the process that goes into making the poster. I talk about poster design. I show you an example of a poster. I talk about why I do things, why I place things, why I've chosen certain assets for this poster. This is a complete project from start to finish. I look at movie posters. I look at a movie poster example. I talk about the different elements that I've collected for this poster. I talk about why I'm doing things step by step. Every step of the process that went into making this poster, you will see. And as you can see in the promo, it's 10 hours, over 10 and a half hours actually, over 10 and a half hours of video content, all crammed into one massive course. There's so much to learn here. There really is so much to learn. We're going to be cutting out using the Smart Selection brush. We're going to be cutting out using the pen tool. We're going to be masking. We're going to be looking at dodging and burning. Dodging and burning is a subject that I've never covered in my YouTube channel. It's one of my favorite things to do. But in this course, I explain to you what dodging and burning is, why it's so important, how to do it well, and there's a few characters we get to do it on. Another one of my favorite things that I do in this course, and it's maybe my most favorite thing, is if you look at the poster, you can see like there's a red lightsaber, and then there's like red glow hitting me, and then there's a blue glow from my youngest son, and it's hitting my daughter, and then there's the blue lightsaber, and there's a blue glow coming off it, and I make that glow transfer onto my daughter and a bit onto me, and I really enjoying that. And it's a really wonderful technique. I love doing it, and I teach you that in this course too. There's so much. We'll go into liquify. I've never touched the liquify persona in my YouTube tutorials. We'll look at the develop persona. There's so much I cover in this course which isn't my YouTube channel, and it's been an absolute labor of love. I have loved making this course, and I hope if you buy it, you will enjoy learning it. I would go as far as saying that if you watch every video, if you follow along with me with this course, you will be able to produce a poster like this. Not even a poster like this, other posters like this, not even posters, artwork. You will be able to take your iPad with the Apple Pencil. You'll be able to go to your living room, go to your car, go to a park, in the office, wherever you want. You will be able to produce professional quality work. I have been doing design work for over 20 years, and that sounds scary. So, it sounds scary to me. I can't believe that I've been working in the design and video industry for 20 years, but I have. And all the knowledge of my many years I put into this course. Again, it's so much more than just an Affinity Photo 2 course. There's so much more goes into it. Again, why I do things, how I do things. I talk you through the process. There's so much. And that's only the first announcement. It's been ages been talking about this. And I suppose this is like an announcement 1.5. I've got a website. I've got a website where you can download this course. If you go to andrewgoodmancreative.com, there's a website now where you can get this course and you get more stuff. Which brings me on to announcement number 2. I have just released a digital assets pack called Sabre FX. What's Sabre FX, I hear you say? Well, I've got a trailer for that too. Andrew, roll the trailer. While making this movie poster, I decided to make my own digital assets, and it started off with one or two, and then I decided, you know what, I'm going to make a whole pack. 155 different digital assets. There's sabers, there's lasers. You can use this pack in so many ways. I'm going to have tutorials coming out soon, which will show you exactly how I use them. In my masterclass course, I do use them and I talk about how to use them, but I'm also going to bring out a video showing you some examples of how and when to use them. And that's very exciting. I'm going to be honest here, quite some time ago, I bought a pack very similar to this. And it said it was 4K. I was very disappointed in it. Very disappointed in it. The images were quite low res. There wasn't 155 assets in it. There wasn't even 100. There was just over 50 of them. And I was very disappointed in them. And that kind of sparked my idea to make my own pack. A lot of work. A lot of times went into that, and I'm going to use them for myself. Even if no one buys them, I'm going to use them for myself because they're so useful. As you've seen that wee trailer, there's tons of situations, there's tons of ways to use them. I'm going to have a video coming out soon explaining you a bit more about that pack and how I use them, and that'll be fun. That's announcement number 2. Announcement number 3, they keep on coming, they keep on coming. Announcement number 3 is, it's my second course. I'm not just releasing one course today, I'm releasing two courses, and this one here is really exciting. Know what you're thinking, Andrew, do you have a trailer for it? Of course I do. Andrew, roll the trailer. Introducing my Affinity Photo 2 iPad course, Combine and Blend. Join me as we merge 2 moments in time, blending photos of the same person taken 7 years apart. Through step-by-step guidance, you'll master the art of making these images come alive together. We'll focus on creating realistic shadows, color correction, and much more to create a seamless blend of past and present. Ready to transform your creativity? Enroll now at andrewgoodmancreative.com. So there you have it. If you're not interested in the masterclass course, which I would highly recommend, this course might be more to your liking because it's something that I've been asked time and time again. Andrew, how can we have 2 photos and combined and blend them in so they look really realistic? So it looks as if it's actually been taken on that day and not on different days, or in this case, years apart. The background of this project is I took a photo of my eldest son on his first day of primary school. In other parts of the world, it might be called elementary school or kindergarten. I'm not quite sure, sorry. But on the first day here in Northern Ireland, it's a thing called P1. He started school, and then on his last day, P7, again, might be different where you come from, but it was 7 years in primary education here in Northern Ireland we do. And I took this photo on the first day of his school and then on the last day of his school, and I combined it together, and this was something I wanted to do. And you know what? This is a really special project for me because I was able to combine these photos together. And on all these courses, you get all these assets, so you'll be getting these 2 photos too, but you could use your own photos. I go into a lot in this course. It's not as long as the master course, but it's still over 3 hours long, and it's really good. I go into details like how to cut out, how to make it natural looking, how to add shadow to the back character, how to add shadow to the ground, how to clean up background. There's so much, how to color correct. There's a lot in this course, and it's a lot of fun too. So that's announcement number 3. Announcement number 4, in December, I am launching a private Discord server. And really, if you don't know what Discord is, it's a bit like Facebook groups, only better. It's a place where you'll get announcements from me about this channel. It's a place where you can show off your work. It's a place where you can ask for advice. It's a place where you can write your tutorial suggestions that I can do in my YouTube channel. You'll get early access to my videos. You can get to ask me questions. Once a month, I'll be releasing a video just to this group, maybe different questions that I've got to ask and different things like that. And if you buy the masterclass or the Saber FX or the Combine and Blend course, you will get free access into this group. And I'm really excited about it. There's more information coming out in December. It would be out now, but I've been quite busy with courses and Saber FX and websites and all that business. So it's coming out in December. If you buy any of these 3 products, you will get instant access to that course. And I'm really excited about it because it's a place, again, where you can ask me questions. You can show me your work. I can give a bit of feedback to it, and I'm really excited about that area. And YouTube's great, and YouTube comments are great, but it's hard to reply to every comment. I try my best. Sometimes I fall behind. Sometimes there's days or even weeks before I get to a comment, but I normally do my best to try to get back to you. But in this group, I'll be able to get back to you a lot quicker, and it's going to be really exciting, and I can't wait for that. That's announcement number 4. Announcement number 5, and I'm really excited about this. And at this moment, you're probably thinking, Andrew, this all sounds great, but you haven't told me the price of any of these things yet, and there's a reason for that. And that brings me to announcement number 5. I am grouping these 3 products together, the Ultimate Masterclass, the Sabre FX, the Combined and Blend. I'm bundling them all up together, and I'm giving 70% off. 70% off the whole bundle. The whole bundle together is $299. With 70% off, that works out as $89. And it's not always going to be $89. For a limited time only, it's going to be $89. And that's because for some, you have been waiting for this course for a long, long, long time. It was at the start of this year, I announced that I was bringing out a course. And I won't lie, I had a few false starts, I had a few setbacks, and that's because I wanted to make a course. I wanted to make something that was truly, truly awesome, truly amazing, something that people would get so much value for, something that if people went through, they would really, really get to grips with Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad, that they themselves, that you could produce something truly amazing. And I believe with these 3 offerings, the 2 courses in particular, you will be able to produce something amazing on your iPad. I love the iPad. I love the Apple Pencil. I think it's absolutely amazing. Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad just blows me away. And I believe I have made something special. So if you've been waiting for the better part of a year, this offer's for you. Again, it is a limited time only. And I should say, if you're watching this video and if you click on the link in the description below, and if you go, the offer's ended, please don't be disappointed, because I truly believe the Ultimate Masterclass is worth $199. Even if you're sitting and this offer's expired, I believe if you buy it at that price, you will be blown away. Over 10.5 hours worth of content, you will become an expert on Affinity Photo 2. I'm just speaking to the people who see this video late and are gutted that this offer's expired. It is for a limited time only, but please don't be gutted. This is a truly, truly wonderful course. And if you've got any questions about these courses, about the Sabre FX pack, anything at all, please let me know in the comments below and I will answer every comment. And better yet, I'll probably make a video answering all the questions, because you might have lots of questions, and I've tried to answer a lot of things in this video. Probably forgot stuff, as you can see. I'm pretty excited. I'm kind of excited normally, but I'm really excited for this. So much work has went into this. So much work has went into the build up of this course. To be honest, I'd hoped to release it for the 1st November. The 1st November is my birthday, and I was hoping to release it on that day, and I just fell short of that, but it's out now. And if you're interested, please click on the link below. 70% off for a limited time. And check out the rest of the website. You'll see some of my artwork, all of the artwork you see on my website. I should say what the website's called. AndrewGoodmanCreative.com. My own website. I'm very excited about that, but that's another thing. And I'll be adding more to this website. But just to start us off, I've got the 2 courses, the Sabre FX. And if you buy this bundle in December, you'll be invited into that Discord server. And to be honest, for $89, that's nearly worth it alone. So there you go. Hopefully now you understand why I was so excited about this video. It's the video, I've been looking forward to this video for a long, long time. There's been many, many late nights over the last few weeks. And I just want to end this video by saying, if you can't afford this course, please, please don't go into debt or go beyond your means just to buy this course. As much as I will appreciate everyone buying this course, and if you buy this course, thank you so, so, so much. I really mean that. Everyone that buys this course, thank you so much. But please, if you can't afford it, it's not worth it to go in debt. And finally, there's going to be more videos coming out in this channel very, very soon. I've been quite quiet the past month or two. You now understand why. Hopefully you understand. And again, any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I appreciate every single person that watches my tutorials, whether they buy this bundle or not. Thank you for watching my tutorials. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for taking an interest. Thank you for your encouragement, and for all the many, many, many comments of encouragement. Thank you so, so much. You have no idea how much I appreciate it. Thanks if you're still watching at this stage, and I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully maybe in the course. I'll see you then.